A hearty navy bean soup flavored with onion, carrots, and parsnip, plus a smoked ham hock. Looking for hearty? It is right here. In this delicious navy bean soup with ham. This is one of those old school soup recipe that never ever disappoints, but before I start, I just want to give you an option. You're going to see me use a smoked ham hock in this recipe, but let's say you can't or don't enjoy the flavor of pork. Why don't you swap it out for a smoked turkey thigh or turkey drumstick? You'll still be able to build this beautiful smoky flavor that this soup recipe is known for. Let me show you now how to make it. Day before you intend to make this soup, pour about 3 to 4 cups of dried navy beans into a big bowl. We're gonna add cool water to cover, then place on the counter to soak overnight. Let me mark that bowl. And the next day, I want you to see how much those beans have swelled, absorbing that water. And just to be clear, it's way easier to make this soup with soaked beans. It's going to improve the texture of the beans, plus the soup will cook a lot quicker. Then next day, let's prep some veggies. 3 celery ribs sliced. Peel 2 to 3 carrots. Also peel 2 to 3 parsnip. Trim the ends away from the carrots and parsnips. Then just cut them in half in the middle. You're gonna need a big onion. We're gonna dice it up. I've also finely diced 5 garlic cloves. And now the entire recipe goes to pot, literally. Moderate heat, large soup pot on stovetop. We're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter and then add the onion and celery. Stir them together, then cover. We're gonna cook for about 3 minutes to sweat and soften the onions and celery. Next, add the diced garlic, then drain those beans and then add them into the soup pot along with the carrots, the parsnips. We have that ham hock. We're gonna nestle it in with the veggies, then 2 or 3 bay leaves. We're also adding 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Next, add 8 cups of water. You can stir to mix everything up in there. Then we wait for the pot to come to a boil. Cover goes on, reduce the temperature to simmer. We're gonna cook for 2 hours. At the 1 hour mark, carefully remove the carrots and parsnip, leave them to cool. When the entire soup is cooked, we remove the ham hock. You can leave it out to cool as well. Final few steps in the recipe, we're gonna chop up the veggies before we put them back in the pot. Same thing with that ham hock. We gotta take it off the bone and chop it up. Fair warning, this next little bit is a tiny bit messy. Go slowly, you'll be fine. We cut the carrots and parsnips into bite-sized pieces. They go into the soup pot. Ham hock, pull off and discard the fatty skin. Pull or cut the fat away from the meat. You can discard that fat and the actual bone. Then cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. Add the ham back to the soup. Stir everything together. Hey, let's pluck those bay leaves out of there. Then we're gonna season with salt and we're ready to enjoy. Might not seem like a lot, but I think this next step is very important. Let's hit the pot with a big handful of chopped parsley, about 1/4 cup's worth. We're gonna stir the parsley into the soup and then we can ladle portions into bowls. You can garnish with more freshly chopped parsley. I love serving this soup with a piece of freshly baked soda bread. I'm often asked one important question about this soup. What about those peppercorns? My advice, tell your guests the peppercorns are there, but then if they're lucky enough to draw a spoonful of this soup and there's ham and parsnip and carrot and then 1 little peppercorn in there, trust me, best flavor combination ever. Guess what else is really good? The fact that the full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when soup is this tasty, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our famous navy bean soup with smoked ham. Who's ready to try? Ooh, I got a peppercorn on this spoon. What a great soup. Fantastic.